So hello my dear scholars, this is Rajdeep Sharma, your mathematics educator. So scholars, now we are going to start exercise 15.4. So now let's solve the question number 1. So read the question. A bulb is kept burning just right above the following solids. Name the shape of a shadow obtained in each case. Attempt to give the rough sketch of a shadow. Okay, so here what you have to do, in the first part there is a ball and above the ball bulb is kept. Okay, so let me show you the condition. Okay, so here is the ball and above the ball you have put a bulb. So which figure are you able to see at the end? Yes, it is a sphere. So your answer is sphere, right? In the same way, look for the second part. Okay, so this is the cylinder shape, and if you put the bulb on the top of a cylinder, which figure are you getting it? Yes, it looks like a rectangle. So your answer is simply rectangle, right? So these types of questions are very interesting, and you can perform this activity at your home also. So now let's discuss for the third part. Okay, so this is your book and this is the bulb on the top of the book. So which figure are you getting it at the end? Yes, you will get a rectangle. Okay, so this was a question number 1. That was very simple. So scholars, the question number 1 was very easy. Now let's solve the question number 2, and trust me, this question is also very easy. So read the question. Here are the shadows of some 3D objects when seen under the lamp of an overhead projector. Identify the solids, then match each shadow. Okay, and there can be the multiple answers for this. Okay, so in this question the shadow is given to you, that is a circle, square, triangle, rectangle, and you have to identify the object. So now let's see the answer. Yes, for a circle the answer is cricket ball. So the shadow of the cricket ball is kind of circle. Okay, now for the square the answer is dice. So for the second part the shadow is square, so the answer is dice. In the same way for the triangle, so you can take any figure that is of a triangle shape. Triangle means what? Cone. So the birthday cap is your answer. You can also take ice cream cone. Okay, now for the fourth part, a rectangle. So think of any object that is of a rectangle shape. Yes, the book, or you can take any of the box, your geometrical box. Okay, so you can take as many examples as you want. Okay, so this was question number 2. So scholars, now let's solve the last question from this chapter, that is question number 3 from the exercise 15.4. and in this chapter all questions are very practical. You can perform all this activity at your home. Okay, and it is very much interesting. Examine if the following are true statement. Okay, so the first one, a cube can cast a shadow in a shape of rectangle. Okay, so I want everyone to try this activity. Take out the cube and observe the shadow. The shadow is having which kind of shape? So here I have shown this with the help of figure. So see, there is a cube and this cube is casting a shadow of rectangle. Are you able to see this rectangle? Yes, it looks like a rectangle over here. Okay, so the first one, a cube can cast a shadow of rectangle. Yes, so it is a true statement. Now for the second part, the cube can cast a shadow in a shape of hexagon. So everyone knows what is hexagon, that is having the 6 sides, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So the cube is in a square shape, so it can never cast a shadow of hexagon, but it can cast the shadow of rectangle. That's why our first statement was true, but here they are asking for hexagon. So the cube cannot cast a shadow of hexagon. So for the second the answer is false. Okay, so this is also a very practical question. Please try to perform all these questions at your home. So bye everyone, take care and keep practice all these questions.